the Oberoi, Sahl Hasheesh, Egypt. Spanning 194,249 square meters on the Red Sea shore, our 5-star hotel in Sahl Hasheesh has been carefully designed to allow you space. It features high domed ceilings, is bathed in natural light, and dotted with traditional design elements, from the auspicious 8-pointed star to neoclassic columns and handcrafted lanterns. Classical touches that add a distinctive sense of place to our hotel in Sahl Hasheesh. Opulent suites with unrestricted ocean views, international fine dining, water sports, and a range of PADI-certified dives suitable for beginners as well as advanced divers make us the best hotel in Sahl Hasheesh. Coupled with our sincere hospitality and attention to your every need. A walk-in closet and a flat-screen satellite TV are in Oberoi air-conditioned suites. Each comes with free Wi-Fi, a glass-walled bathroom with a marble bath and a separate shower. Some include a pool in the garden and iPod docking stations. Take a seat for breakfast or dinner in the dining hall, on the shaded terrace, or in the open-air courtyard of our main restaurant. Traditional arches and columns, Red Sea and garden views, and exquisite international cuisines are all complemented by the intuitive attention to your every need that can only be Oberoi. Zafran serves authentic Indian cuisine at candlelit tables, under a silver leaf ceiling dotted with tiny spotlights that glitter like stars. Arched windows capture romantic views of the starlit outer courtyard, while traditional musicians provide a soft musical accompaniment to your meal. Zafran is open for dinner. Dining arrangement is split between a poolside dome and a wooden framed space, closer to the beach and the gentle sea breeze. Having taken a dip in the sea or our infinity pool, they are the perfect places to relax over a leisurely meal of Mediterranean or Far Eastern cuisine. Massages and various beauty treatments, including exfoliating scrubs, are offered at the Oberoi Beach Resort, Sahl Hasheesh Spa. It includes private steam rooms and a gym fitted with life fitness equipment. Other activities include stargazing, cooking classes, yoga, and aromatherapy. A host of activities has been especially designed to relax your mind and challenge your soul. Take a deep breath and let the Red Sea connect with your inner self. The pool features 2 whirlpools, an adult swimming area, and a splash pool for children. Snacks can be enjoyed at the pergola dining space beside Red Sea views. Charm a loved one with an exclusive dining experience on the Oberoi, Sahl Hasheesh's private pier. Secluded under a wooden canopy floating upon the Red Sea's gentle waters, guests can savor delicacies chosen from our international menus or designed in collaboration with our master chefs to suit the occasion. The Red Sea is home to around 20% of the world's endemic fish species and more than 400 species of coral. The crystal-clear waters and unique underwater gardens are a diver's paradise, easily accessed by boat from the on-site PADI-certified dive center at the Oberoi, Sahl Hasheesh. From our private boat docked just 10 minutes from the Oberoi, guests can experience a full or half day of relaxed sailing. Enjoy a luxury sunset cruise around the nearby islands with views of the Red Sea mountains,